Welcome to the channel TechUnboxPro. Today, we're diving deep into the Oppo A6 Pro 5G, one of the most talked about budget 5G smartphones of 2026. In this video, we will explore everything about this phone, including its design, display, performance, camera capabilities, battery life, and overall value, so you can decide whether it's the right choice for you. Starting with the design and build quality, the Oppo A6 Pro 5G is sleek and modern. It features a lightweight body that feels comfortable to hold for long periods. The back panel comes with a premium matte glass finish, giving it a stylish look without attracting too many fingerprints. The frame is slightly curved, making it easy to grip, and the buttons are placed ergonomically, ensuring smooth usability. Overall, it gives the impression of a higher-end phone while remaining in the budget category. Moving on to the display, the Oppo A6 Pro 5G offers a large 6.6-inch FHD plus IPS LCD screen. Colors appear vibrant, and brightness levels are sufficient for outdoor use. While it doesn't have an AMOLED panel, the viewing experience is still immersive, and the touch response is smooth, whether you're browsing apps, watching videos, or playing games. The screen-to-body ratio is good, and the bezels are minimal, giving it a modern look. When it comes to performance, the phone is powered by a mid-range 5G chipset, which handles daily tasks effortlessly. From scrolling through social media to running multiple apps at once, the device remains responsive with minimal lag. For gaming, it can handle popular titles at moderate settings, delivering a decent experience without overheating. The 5G connectivity ensures fast download and streaming speeds, making it a future-ready device for budget-conscious users. The camera setup on the Oppo A6 Pro 5G is another highlight. It features a capable triple camera system, including a 64 megapixels main sensor. Daylight photos come out sharp and detailed, with accurate colors. Low-light photography has improved compared to its predecessors, though it may not match flagship-level cameras. The front-facing camera is perfect for selfies and video calls, offering clear and natural results. Overall, the camera performance is impressive for its price range. One of the standout features of this phone is the battery life. With a 5000 mAh battery, the Oppo A6 Pro 5G easily lasts a full day on moderate to heavy usage. Whether you're streaming videos, gaming, or browsing social media, the battery holds up well. Fast charging support allows you to quickly top up the phone when needed, adding convenience to daily use. In terms of software, the phone runs on ColorOS 14 based on Android 14, offering a clean and intuitive user interface. It comes with essential features and customization options that enhance the overall experience without unnecessary bloatware. In conclusion, the Oppo A6 Pro 5G is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a budget-friendly 5G smartphone in 2026. It combines good design, solid performance, capable cameras, long battery life, and smooth software experience. If you want a phone that covers all the basics and also offers 5G connectivity, this device is worth considering. If you enjoyed this detailed review and want to see more mobile reviews, unboxings, and tech comparisons, make sure to subscribe to TechUnboxPro and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update.